Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H9SZ047. This is a 2009 Suzuki SX4 all-wheel drive with a manual transmission. Looks about as awesome as a Suzuki can get. Nice clean oil, nice clean car. You can tell somebody wasn't planning on getting rid of this thing before they wrecked it. A little bump in the back and a hit in the front. But a nice car, very clean interior. You can see here it's got 133,275 miles. And it looks like they got it maintained at Slayball Auto Care in Downton, and it was within its next service schedule, which is always a good thing. Give her some little rev here. Alrighty. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H9SZ047. Thank you and have a nice day.